Greetings to all of you. Welcome to Electro Talk. Today we have with us Dr. Upasani sir, Associate Professor of Electronics and Telecommunication, having a huge experience of 25 years in teaching and research area. Welcome, sir.
Thank you.
Sir, we would like to hear about your research area, sir.
First of all, thank you for calling me, madam. My research area is focusing on the interdisciplinary approach. I had done research in biomedical signal processing. Say, for example, when we are going out in the hospital and our close relative is admitted, so we are worried about what will be exactly happening with our relative. Is there any problem by observing the waveforms on the monitors and what? So I had dealing with electrocardiogram, that is called as the ECG signal, and I identified a problem which is related with ECG signal, that is the stage which comes before the heart attack, that is called as in medical term it is called as a myocardial infarction. So most generally we need to give our blood samples, and then maybe one day after we may come to know that okay, this is what is the problem with our ECG signal. But the system that I had designed, my system tells us within a very short amount of time that okay, this is what is the problem, and this after maybe you may be prone to the heart attack. So this is what is the research which I had started since from my PG work.
That was amazing, and that's going to be definitely very helpful for all the biomedical engineering students as well as patients who are suffering from that. So
Yes.
that was amazing work, sir.
Yes.
So, sir, from that we definitely see ki there is a huge significance of electronics and telecommunication, or you can say electronics, in our life, sir. So, can you please enlighten us ki what is the scope of electronics and telecommunication?
Yeah, good question. If you see, there are three core branches: electrical engineering, mechanical and civil engineering. So our mother branch is electrical engineering. Then comes electronics, then comes communication, then computer, then IT. These are all application branches. So we must concentrate on the core, that is electronics engineering. Now wherever there is a word smart or E, there comes the electronics. Say for example, there are number of sister concern of electronics. They are electrical itself, that is our mother, then instrumentation, then computer engineering, then IT engineering. And you cannot believe, madam, there is scope, significance of our branch in mechanical as well in civil also. Let me explain briefly. In mechanical engineering nowadays, there is automation industry is in boom. It is a combination of mechanical and electronics engineering. Then civil engineering, for example, there are buildings here and there, and there is no smartness in the building. So what will happen? So that smartness is introduced by electronics engineers. Yeah, yeah.
Yes, sir. So from that we can understand, sir, कि tomorrow whatever we are going to do, even our Prime Minister, Dr. Narendra Modi, sir, is promoting a digital India. So, sir, everywhere from your significance, I can say it's like electronics is a field where we are going to require everywhere in our future. So it's a future skill. It's a biggest part of future skill, sir. So, sir, please guide us understanding what are the applications of electronics and telecommunication field in the future skill, sir.
Applications, see, nowadays the students are hearing the buzzwords like artificial intelligence, deep learning, machine learning. Nowadays they are not the buzzwords. And these are not just related to computer engineering or IT engineering. They are having wide applications that may be mechanical, that may be civil, that may be electronics. So electronics, in electronics engineering, the emerging technologies, the buzzwords are get converted into emerging technologies. Like for example, my research work, I had used the support vector machine. That is nothing but the artificial intelligence. So these buzzwords are now coming into picture, and there are enormous applications. I cannot say. There may be classification, there may be regression. N number of applications are there where we can go with this electronics engineering as a core, and with the emerging technologies like AI and machine learning and deep learning and so on.
So that was a very insightful information about electronics and communication, and I can assure you, that, sir, that after hearing this, our students or the students who are listening to this are like eagerly waiting to join our eagerly waiting to join our institute. So, students, we are waiting for you here in MIT ADT University, and hope to see you soon. Thank you so much. Thank you, sir.
Thank you, madam.